Many of us dread going to the dentist, but what if you could go to the beach or relax in a beautiful city park? Virtual reality is now making that a possibility for dental patients. Dr. Bryan Laskin joins us to talk about this morning. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me very much.
Virtual reality in a dental office. How does this work?
Well, 22% of dental care that's not done, that's diagnosed, is not done because of anxiety. And so
wait a minute, a lot of people skip their dental care because they're so anxious about it?
Absolutely. And you know, we have and we have driverless cars and supercomputers in our phones, and I figured it's about time that we help people get over that anxiety. And what virtual reality does is it takes your awareness and puts it somewhere else. You don't even realize you're at the dentist, and it's really transformed dental care in my practice.
We were talking about, like, I know personally I hate that sound of the drill. A lot of people do, the needles.
Yep.
So people get really worked up when they go sit in your dental chair.
Exactly. And you know what I did was I looked at what are the top reasons why people say I hate going to the dentist, and virtual reality transcends pretty much all of them. Like you said, the noise, the needle. When you're transported to a city or you're watching nature scenes, you don't actually hear the noise, you don't see the needle, and you're completely somewhere else. It's so immersive that it doesn't feel like you're at the dentist.
So I put on, like, this mask, and it's got headphones too, and I'm like seeing that I'm on the beach, or what am I doing? Yeah,
it's the exact same cool technology that everybody's rushing out to buy for video games and other things, because it's so effective. So you're watching, you get the choice of several different types of scenes. We actually do things like we'll have a hygienist come on and show you how to floss and brush towards the end of your appointment too. So instead of, you know, it's an awkward social situation when you're lying back and looking at somebody, it's very invasive, and virtual reality completely changes that.
I always hate when the dentist asks me questions. I'm like, I can't talk right now.
Yeah, and you know, this way it's better for both of you. You know, as a dentist, you can just focus and do your best quality care, and as a patient, you don't have to sit there and look at somebody's face like mine, right?
So you've got a company that you're working on this. You're in Minneapolis. Does anyone into the Chicago area, any dentists have this yet?
I think they're going to sign up soon. You know, that's why I'm here, is I'm traveling around the country. I'm dedicated to providing the best care for not just my patients, but across the industry. And so that's why I'm here, is to spread the word about that. Now you don't have to fear going to the dentist, because we can transport you somewhere else.
I'm guessing it would add an extra layer of cost.
Actually, we don't charge at all for it. That's another great thing about virtual reality, is it's inexpensive. So typically people use things like nitrous oxide. I call virtual reality digital nitrous, because it works exactly like, actually proven to be more effective than nitrous oxide, but no cost, no drugs. You don't have to wait for it to wear off.
All right. Yeah, the nitrous oxide, also the laughing gas, a lot of us always called it.
Yep.
For more information on it, you can head to digitalnitrous.com. And thank you so much for joining us this morning, Dr. Laskin, and telling us about it.
Thank you very much for having me.
We'll
Appreciate
wait and see if it gets to Chicago.
Yes, very soon.
All right. Thank you so much.